Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to share a little mail or happy mail that I received from Angie B here on YouTube. And hey Angie, she had a live and she was making these super adorable cameras. And Stace and I were on there chatting with her while she was making it, and she offered to send us some. So here she sent me hers, and she says, thanks for joining me live making these camera embellishments. Enjoy them. Art by Angie B. So that is her YouTube channel, and I'll link her down below for everybody. And she's tied a pretty bow at the top of here. So adorable. This little tag. So pretty. Look at this. Just for you. Oh. I wonder if I can open it on the bottom here. So I don't have to. Yep. Oh, I might not have. Okay. Eek. I'm just going to make a little slit. There we go. On the bottom. And then these are her camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute. Oh, Angie, these are adorable. Look at this pretty cabochon. These teeny tiny little leaves and stickers, and she is embellished it so pretty. This is Smile. I love this one. Oh, I love this little bow. I love how she did the circle. I love it. Full of wonder. I love this paper that she used. Oh my gosh. She used these little tacky. Oh, Angie, you're going to have to tell me where you got these. Because every time I try to use my my low tack, what do you call it? My low tack little thingy. It always sticks to the paper, and these don't. A little bit. But, oh my God, I love these. Oh, and then she has it. Oh my gosh, I love everything about these. These are going to go in. It's going to go somewhere on my desk. So thank you, Angie. I love them. I need to get this die so I can make some too. What foam did you use? Because those are thick. I love it. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for watching. Go check out Angie's channel. I'll link her down below, and go show some support. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.